In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and manage headers in your Zoho Writer document. Whether you're preparing a professional report or a casual write-up, knowing how to properly handle your headers can make a big difference in your document's organization and presentation. So, let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First off, you'll need to be in your Zoho Writer document. Open the document you want to edit, ensuring it's the correct one you're aiming to work on. Zoho Writer is a straightforward tool, but like any new software, it can take some getting used to when you're first starting out. So don't worry if it feels a bit unfamiliar at first. As you become more comfortable with it, you'll find that it offers a lot of flexibility and power for your writing needs. Now, once you're in your document, the next task is to enable the header if it isn't already activated. All you need to do is locate the header area, which is usually found at the top of your document page. It's slightly grayed out when inactive. To activate it, simply double-click within that header field. This is a common practice across many word processing software, so you might recognize this move. Double-clicking here signals to the software that you want to make changes to this specific part of the document. Once you've clicked the header and it's active, you'll notice that you can now edit this area freely. If you want to remove any existing text or design in your header, feel free to do so manually. Just highlight the content you wish to delete and use your delete or backspace key as usual. Editing headers manually like this gives you complete control over the content and design, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your needs. After finishing your edits or removals within the header, it's important to exit the header edit mode to continue working on the main portion of your document. To do this, you'll be looking for the exit option. It's typically located outside your header area, perhaps as a button or link. Clicking this will return you to the main document view, allowing you to continue working on your text without interference from the header editing features. And there you have it. A proper understanding of how to access and modify the header within Zoho Writer can really help you keep your documents sleek and professional. Having clear, well-organized headers not only helps in tracking the document's flow, but also enhances readability for anyone reviewing your work. Keep practicing these steps, and soon it will be like second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!